Okay, so let's check how we can change the things around here. Let's come down to our second section, which is displaying all the categories on top. These are the listed categories that we have, and those categories which have a post in them, like social do not have any post, so it's showing 0, and hence it's not being displayed here right now. So this is what I'm gonna tell you how to customize this section. Okay, so these are the categories that are being displayed here. If you go to the categories page in news category, these are all the categories that we have, and it's being displayed right here. The categories which do not have any post, for example social is currently does not have any posts, so it's displaying 0, and hence it's not being displayed over here. Okay, so let's say we created a section named breaking news, and we did not really want to display it over here. What would we do? Like if we added a breaking news category and there is a post inside that category, the breaking news section will be displayed here. How would we unhide? I mean, how would we hide it? So let's go to edit, like edit with WP Bakery, and click on edit post grid. Now to hide that category, we can go to filters, and there will be an option named exclude from filter list. Enter a category. Enter categories tags won't be shown in the filter list. So let's say we created a category breaking news, but we do not want to display that breaking news over here or in these news. So we will just type that category's name and save it, and it will stop showing that category. For example, let's say health. We want to hide health. Let's select health. Okay, so we wrote health, and it's showing us the category named health. So let's select that and save changes. And once we do that, the section will update, and now we do not see health anywhere. So let's unhide the health category. Just click and save and close. And now health is back in this section. Alright, so this was this section. Let's move down. These are pretty simple. This is also a photo grid. You can edit it right here. Once again, data source should be news because we are showing news. And if you want to display like custom categories, for example, you only want to display a category which is social and environment, latest news, then you can type those name here and select them. Like let's say we just want to display entertainment. Let's select entertainment, and total number of items. Currently entertainment only has one news in it, so you can it depends on you how many you want to display. And that's it. And you just click on save and you close it and wait for it to update. Oh, wow. And there we have it. It's showing entertainment category only. So let's change it back to the original. You can write multiple categories actually. Let's say we want to write health. I want to display health and entertainment. So there we go. You can click on save changes, wait for it to update, and now you can see there are two uh, news that are being displayed. One is from entertainment and the other is from health. This is also the same thing. I am displaying 4 news over here. I've selected like all the I've selected all the categories. I could just remove all of these if I just wanted to display uh, all the categories, but it's up to you. You can just cross them out, and if you leave it empty then it will display all the news from all the categories. And total item I'm displaying is 6. I do not have 6 news in all these, so that's why it's only displaying 4 right now. But if I were to uncheck it, then it would show all 6 news over here. Also, one more thing, if you come down to item design, same goes for this section because it is also PostGrid and this is also PostGrid. So they both have the same settings, except in item design, if you select something else, let's say vertical flip, and save changes, what this would do is it would give your post a different style. Like now if you hover over your news, it's being displayed like this, which is kind of cool, but it depends on what do you want to show. So let's select slide from top, save it, wait for it to update. And now if you hover your news, it's displaying something like this, which is pretty cool if you ask me. That's up to you. You can decide which effect you want to display here. And once you're done, click on update. Once your page is updated, go back and refresh it to see the new changes. Alright, okay, this is cool.